Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. You are seeing me with my tea mug, so that means it's time to say it, everybody. Drink your tea. Yes, we are drinking our tea from Sip Spy. If you have not seen any of my other previous videos for Sip Spy and you are just tuning in, let me do a quick rundown very fast of Sip Spy, and then I will take you directly to the box I received. Sip Spy is a monthly tea discovery box. It's like a typical subscription box. However, instead of being sent makeup or hair care or things like that, you are sent teas. And I am somebody that loves testing out new teas. I love having a variety of teas to kind of go through and use, and this is perfect for me. What I did was I took a very in-depth quiz on the Sip Spy website that let them know exactly what I was looking for in teas. And I'll be honest with you, I was not a tea person at all before I started this journey with Sip Spy, and I now drink tea every night before I go to bed. The monthly subscription box is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. Sip Spy works with over 150 global tea brands. So when you get your customized, personalized box, you know that the teas in the box are going to be teas that you love. And they're going to be very unusual, unique teas that you probably have never seen before. I'll be honest with you, everything I've gotten in my box is new and different to me, something I've never really seen at my local supermarket, and I have enjoyed testing these teas out so much. However, this is not one of their monthly tea box videos. This is one of their specialty tea boxes. If you go to Sip Spy's website and you go under the area called tea boxes, I think it's called, you will see a list of all the different specialty tea boxes they have to offer. I love their specialty tea boxes because they have one for any type of occasion you could possibly want. Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, teas to help your mood, teas to help your sleep, teas from women-owned tea brands only. So many different varieties of tea boxes. They're great for gifts because I believe usually one box will run $15, or you can give a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month Sip Spy gift card. So today I'm going to show you one of these specialty tea boxes that Sip Spy sent me. We will go through the box together, and then I will pick out one of the teas and steep it on the channel. So let's get started with the video. Sip Spy's teas come to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sip Spy on it. And when you open up the boxes, there usually is a card in there that tells you the teas that you're getting. And isn't this an adorable card? This is the Magic Tea Box. It would be a perfect Halloween gift. You will be so surprised at how beautiful these teas are packaged. It says, "Hello, Tea Witch," and it talks about all the curated teas in the tea box. It talks about how to brew teas, how long to brew them, and the perfect temperature to brew them at. It's just a really helpful card if you're a tea lover and brew your teas at home. It's a nice guide to show you the temperature and the times. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Look at this packaging on this. Isn't this gorgeous? This is called the Witch's Brew, and it is from a company called the Witchwood Teahouse. And I just love this packaging. I think it is so gorgeous. I almost hate to get rid of it. It is like nothing I've ever seen before. This contains black tea, cinnamon, star anise, clove, nutmeg, mugwort, and rosemary. A real witch's brew. How cool is that? And this other packaging is so beautiful too. It is the Night in the Glittering Caves by Happy Turtle Tea. I love the names of these. This is also a black tea with natural cream flavor. It contains black tea, bourbon pecans, bourbon sugar, cinnamon, and also some crystallized ginger. I love how all these teas are packaged. These packages are so pretty. And on the back, it tells you how to steep the tea, the temperature, and the time. The next tea I see is one called Olive and Dingo Color Changing Tea, and that's by Chariteas. This is an herbal tea that contains peach, mango, and coconut changing tea. I wonder if the color changes on that or something. I'm not sure. I'll have to let you know what happens with that one. I haven't tested it out yet. And then the last tea in my box is Mana Matcha Potion, and that is from Thésaurus Teas. Very spooky teas in this box. A lot of Spellbook tea potions in here that we can make. I think this is such a cute box, especially at this time of year, Halloween. And because there is loose tea in this box, Sips By always includes as a courtesy some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags. This is great, especially if you're giving this box as a gift. You don't have to worry whether or not someone has something to steep the tea in. So this is the magic tea box. Kind of spooky. This box comes with enough teas to make 15 cups. You can buy it as a one-time box or a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month Sips By box physical gift card. Tough decision. Not quite sure which one I want to pick. But there is something about the packaging on this particular one. I love kind of the shiny foil packaging. I love the name Night in the Glittering Caves. I want to take a look inside, so I think I'm going to pick this one to steep. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this very witchy, very spooky magic tea box from Sips By. All the teas in here are packaged beautifully. They are really cool and different teas. This would make a great Halloween gift. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. I will leave all the information for the magic tea box down in my description box. Bye-bye from Marla.